y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view my 6 looks 1 palette video with the brand new Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette. Now I know my thumbnail says that you should save your money, but I don't mean it as this palette is not good. I've already filmed my 6 looks. I have swatched the palette for you guys, which you will see in just a moment, but I would have to say that it is not worth the $54 price tag if I'm being completely honest. So it's $54. There's 12 shades in here, which makes that $4.50 per shade, which is kind of up there in my personal opinion. Like, I would not pay $54 for this. This is a limited edition collection, so I have a feeling in the next like 2 or 3 months, if not sooner, this palette is going to be highly discounted, probably for like 25 bucks if I'm being honest, and you might see this at TJ Maxx, but I just had to have it like right now, so that's why I went ahead and picked it up. I have to say, I'm not gonna keep this palette, but it is a very beautiful palette. So if you guys are interested in seeing the 6 looks that I created with this palette, then keep on watching. If you are enjoying these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would literally melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Really quick, before we get right into the swatches and eye look, I just wanted to show you the packaging really quick. This is like the most beautiful packaging I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, let me tell you, they're raised too. Like, how cool is this packaging? 10 out of 10 for the packaging. This is just what the back looks like. And of course you have the mirror here. Hello, that's my camera. And then the shades, which are so beautiful. Let me say that. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get into the swatches.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Look. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Okay, so you have seen all 6 looks that I created with this palette. It is such a beautiful palette. Like, am I right? I just love this packaging. It is so, so cute. But yeah, that's my 6 looks. If I have to be completely honest, like I said at the beginning, it's not worth the $54. Once it's on sale, I say go for it. Pick it up when it goes on sale, but don't buy it at full price. It's not worth it. I did not really experience any fallout whatsoever. I didn't experience like any fallout with the glitter, except for one shade. The only shade that I experienced any fallout was Opal Aurora, and I put it in my inner corner and it kind of fell down a little bit. Other than that, no other fallout except for the shade Third Eye, just a tiny bit. Other than that, no fallout. Now, I did have glitter on my face after I washed my face. I used my makeup eraser and did my eyes after each like look, not each look, but I did 2 and I washed it off too and washed it off. That's when the glitter started coming down on my face, but not a lot. And it definitely wasn't like the glitter from the Jeffree Star palette, let me tell you. Not at all the same. And not even as much glitter. But someone did suggest using tape to kind of get the glitter off, which helped in between the transitions of each different look that I did. Though it didn't completely get rid of it, and because I didn't really sit there and like dab my face with tape. But I just wanted to throw that out there that I'm not sure if the how the wear test is going to be. I would watch other people's reviews. I'm just here doing the looks for you guys. But I did enjoy the palette. If I had to say what makeup look was my favorite, I would have to say this green one and this one that I'm wearing right now. And I kind of forgot the other looks that I did, but I know I really liked the neutral look that I did on this side. I wasn't really feeling the blue look, and I can't remember the other 2 looks, but I don't know. This one and this one is my favorite, but I think this is like my #1 favorite. It's very woodsy, like woodsy elf, kind of like a woodsy elf or like a fall leaf. I don't know, that's what it reminds me of. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, then please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below what was your favorite look that I did, and if you do have this palette, are you going to recreate any of these looks, or are you going to go out and buy this palette now, or are you going to wait for it to go on sale? Because it is a solid palette if I do say so myself, but I just wouldn't pay full price for it. That's it. So yeah, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!